WWE. Rated by...
You love him or you don't. You cannot deny WWE Universe.
He's had a better 2 weeks than this.
From the human.
Roman Reigns beat Braun, the main event of Monday Night Raw last Finn Balor, and after his victory, Braun Strowman cashing in for the belt to the ring.
The old and the brothers in the big dog and protect Braun's hold. Therefore, the money that did not count time is making a still the Shield's yard.
When those 3 cats, there is nothing. There is nothing.
Strowman obviously upset over Reigns, and he issued a... And basically, Strowman's anywhere around right now. Look,
If you challenge him, he's going to...
he's defending the Universal Championship at WWE that hadn't been done in a year and a half.
We rise in and hang the universe to be at the top of the mountain.
I told Braun Strowman at 8 p.m. Go 5 now. This title to just stand in the ring and defend it. Don't come out here and Shield challenge. Want to step up?
Ask and you shall receive.
The monster in the be stinging after through the announce table.
WWE Universe has been waiting. It's the confrontation between that.
Forgotten what went down, Larry.
Between these 2 men.
And Michael, look at that. Roman Reigns, as he walked out, boy, the intensity.
Workhorse. When you had to have your boys come out him calling last week.
Get it, do you? It's a brotherhood of voices. Tells us what to do, not me. They made a choice, stand the in. At the top of the mountain, no clue. All you do is run around ends. Those hands are ours, ambulances. Hands, my hands, every single championship day. And that's why I am this yard. And if on my level, son, learn to step up, man, on track championship match right here in Toronto.
I'm not cash. You and everyone inside I did, you come down here and try and skin. I'm gonna make you contract number 16th. The one place we can't interfere. Making Universal Championship war in a place we've never were. That's my contract. You in hell in a cell.
You're finally starting to sound